In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create resume on Microsoft Word in mobile. In this tutorial, we'll use the Bold Resume template in Microsoft Word to create a professional-looking resume directly from a mobile device. Using a template makes the process easier because the basic design and sections are already prepared for you. First, open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. From the home screen, look for the option to create a new document. Tap it to view the available templates. In the Template section, look for the Bold Resume template. Once you find it, tap on the template to open it. Microsoft Word will create a new resume based on the selected design. Now you can begin replacing the sample information with your own details. Start with the name at the top of the resume. Tap the sample name and replace it with the name you want to display. Next, update the contact information. Replace the sample phone number, email address, location, or other contact details with your own information. Make sure these details are accurate because they allow potential employers to contact you. After that, move to the Professional Summary or Objective section. Replace the sample text with a short introduction about your professional background, skills, and career goals. Keep this section clear and relevant to the position you're applying for. Next, update the Work Experience section. Replace the sample job titles, company names, dates, and descriptions with your own experience. If you have more than one previous position, make sure each entry is organized consistently. Continue to the Education section and replace the sample school, degree, course, and dates with your own educational information. You can also update the Skills section. Remove the sample skills and add the abilities that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Try to keep the list focused and easy to read. As you edit the Bold Resume template, you can use Microsoft Word's mobile formatting tools to adjust text when necessary. Try to keep the original layout consistent so the resume maintains its clean and professional appearance. Once you've entered all your information, review the entire resume carefully. Check your name, contact information, work experience, education, skills, spelling, and dates. Also, make sure there are no sample details left in the template. Finally, review the overall layout and make sure the text is properly aligned and easy to read on your mobile device. And that's how you can create a resume on Microsoft Word Mobile using the Bold Resume template. Simply choose the template, replace the sample information with your own details, and review the finished document to make sure everything is accurate and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,